Welcome back to Zach's Auto Sports. If you have a 2005 to 2010 Jeep Grand Cherokee and you have a clunking sound coming from the front end and it's consistent on both sides no matter what side you go over bumps, it's most likely these guys right here. These are your front sway bar bushings. They're very easy to replace. You don't need to take anything apart. You can do it with the wheels still on the ground. So let's go underneath and I'll give you a closer look of where they are. So we're at the front of the Jeep now. Let's go underneath. So here's your front sway bar. And your bushings are just behind this bracket right here. You can see how dirty it is. I believe mine failed because my oil filter housing leaked. So we're going to clean up this area first before we get started. And to clean off all the oil, we're going to use my new favorite degreaser called Super Clean. It's biodegradable, it's safe on all surfaces. So we're going to spray it on full strength, not dilute it at all. And then we're going to rinse off with some hot water and see how she looks. Okay, gonna let that sit for a few minutes and then rinse her off. Okay, now I just got some hot water in a spray bottle. It is very cold here in Canada, so I can't really hook up the hose. And that grease is just coming off. That part looks brand new. Even the bushing looks brand new. Wow. Give this a wipe with a rag. There's the rag after just a couple wipes. Disgusting. Gotta say, Super Clean worked amazing. Still grab an impact with a 21mm socket. These two bolts right here. So one here, one on top. Bolt out, and this bracket will come off, and then you'll just need a tool to pry out this bushing. See, the bushings have a split in them, so you can pry them open and slip them on and off the sway bar. Yeah, I apologize, it is really hard to see and film with one hand, but got a small pry bar here. Should be able to just get her off. So let's get the pry bar in behind the bushing here, and you can see it's starting to separate already, and then you can pull the whole thing off. So as you can see, the new bushing is on. Let's grab your bracket. It just goes over top the bushing. Presses right on. Just make sure you line up your two bolt holes and tighten those two bolts back on. And that side is done. So now copy paste it to the other side. Yeah, look how destroyed that bushing got from the oil. The hole is much bigger than it used to be when it was brand new. Alright guys, hopefully this video helped you replace your sway bar bushings. As you saw, it's a pretty easy job, pretty common job on these Jeep Grand Cherokees. And before we end, just want to give a shout out to Super Clean for sending me this bottle of degreaser. It worked really well, even in our freezing temperatures here up in Canada. And I'll be using it again in some future projects, so stay tuned for that. So thanks for watching, guys.